So let's start the session 3. So I have again taken the new circuit. So let's go back so that I can show you the Tinkercad I have clicked on, and I clicked the new circuit here. I have clicked the new circuit. Now the new circuit I reached to the new circuit, and I will rename this. So the session, so you can also do this way: session 3 circuit, Arduino circuit, Arduino circuit. Okay, so this way you will also understand that at which point you have reached. So let's have the Arduino again. So every session you will make the new circuit like this, like I am making. So this is the Arduino Uno I have brought. Now you can give the name Arduino, sorry. So I am renaming this. So Arduino 1. Okay. So Arduino 1, and I got this Arduino. Now the we know how to do the connection for the LED. So I am taking the LED, red LED, and one resistor. Why we require resistor, that we understood in the previous session. So let's do the connection with like number resistor and number 12, suppose, and the negative to the ground. Okay, now we know that the inbuilt code is available like on off for the 2 second. So here it will run for the continuously in a loop that we have discussed. So as I run the code, but it is inbuilt, so this 13 number LED will on, this will not on as we have not selected this to get on. So if we, so in this way we can do the connection, and this is the program, the inbuilt program, where we need to change the number block. So what we'll do is we'll change the block number, like inbuilt LED is there, so we'll keep it, and we'll add the other LED like we did last time. So we'll add it again. So we are doing the practice of last time video. So there's a 12 number, so I am giving the 12 number here, and the 12 number one more. So 12 number here, so 12 number. So high, and yeah, I can give the low. So both will get on and both will get off. So let's start the simulation. So both the inbuilt LED and the upper LED, both the external LED, both will get on simultaneously, off simultaneously. So this is the like single LED and single inbuilt LED. Now we'll have the more number of LEDs for the connections. Now to have the more numbers of LEDs, what we can do is we can use the we'll stop the simulation. We can use the other component that is called breadboard. So what is breadboard, that we'll understand first, so that you will learn how to do the connection using breadboard. So this is the breadboard which we want to use. So why breadboard is used? Breadboard is used to do the connection and to make the different types of circuits. Okay, so it's a sorry, it's a breadboard. Okay, so breadboard 1, we can say breadboard 1, the small breadboard we have. So this breadboard, how it is working, that we will discuss. So how it is working, so this breadboard is used to make the electronic circuits, and in this basically this points, these 4 points, this all four points, the numbers are given like 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 30. Okay, so this all, these 5 points are internally connected. So the number is given like, name is given like FGHIJ, here ABCDE. So here 1 ABCDE, here all these points are connected. So one A is connected to B, B is connected to C, C is connected to D, D is connected to E. So this all 5 points are internally connected. Same with this, all five are internally connected, and all these five points 1 to 30 are internally connected here, and same way this 1 to 30 are also internally connected here. Okay, and this the horizontal line, this all points are connected internally. So positive all points are connected internally, this negative all points are connected internally. Here also positive all points are connected internally and negative all points are internally connected. So what is the use of this internally connected? So if I take the one LED, suppose this LED, now I want to do the connection with resistor. So what I will do is I will place the LED here. Now this LED is basically connected to this point and this point. So now if I connect anything here, any point here, then it will be connected to cathode. If I connect any point here, then it will be connected to positive. Suppose I take the resistor. Okay, so this is a resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. So I have taken the resistor. Now I will do the connection of resistor on breadboard. So I am doing the connection here. So I cannot do the resistor connection like this. If I place like this, so the one terminal of resistor is connected here and second terminal is here. So actually both are connected with each other. So there is no use of doing connection like this. Okay. So we will remove this again and we will do the connection like this. So one point of resistor is connected with this 8 number of FGHIJ, and second terminal is connected to D of 8 number. Okay, D of 8 number and F for 8 number here. So this way we did the connection. Now you can do the connection like here you have the 4 pins where you can do the connection. So click here or click here and connect here. So now the one terminal, there is a cathode, is connected to the resistor terminal like this. So hope you are understanding this, how we are doing the connection. And the positive we can directly connect to this number, the Arduino. Okay, so if you want to like connect in a series, so we'll keep the Arduino, we will delete this now. We will not require, we don't require this LED connection like this. So I will move the Arduino here and the breadboard on top of it, so that we can do the connection. Now the positive I will connect directly to, suppose, to a number. Okay, that way you can do. Now take the other LED, connect here. Now you can change the color, like I can have a green, then connect negative. You can do the then here negative connection is pending, so we can do the connection of negative to the ground for the first LED. Now same negative connection we can keep the same, so for all, so this we can connect here like this. So this green LED is connected to the resistor here, first resistor which you are using, yes, this one. So this one is connected to green also, this resistor is connected to red also, and that is of cathode, both the cathode. And the positive, that is anode, I will do the connection to 11. So now what I am doing is I am using the 11 and 12 to make this LED on off. So now I will do the programming. So go to the code. So first what we did is we did the programming for the inbuilt LED and 12 number. Now I want to do for the 11 also. So one more, I will take set pin 11 as high and set pin anywhere here you can place, no problem, 11 as, yeah, I can do low, so that you can see the simultaneous on off. So simulation, if we start, so is on for 1 second, off for 1 second, on for 1 second, off for 1 second. Is it clear? So this way, now 13 inbuilt LED is also getting on and off simultaneous, all three. Now if you want to alternate, like first inbuilt LED, then red, then green, that way. Or if let's remove the inbuilt LED, so it will not give you confusion because it is not connected separately. So let's remove the inbuilt to the dustbin. So we are removing inbuilt. So here I'm removing inbuilt and I'm connecting here. So 11 and 12 I want to program. So what I will do is you want alternate, means low high high low, I will do it. So the alternatively 11 and 12 will glow like this. So this way you can do, and you can add the weight in between also. So first 12 will glow, then wait for 1 second, then 11 low, then wait for 1 second, 12 low and 11 low. So that way it will take more time to complete. 1, 2, all 3. So red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. With this means this programming is doing this type of pattern. So right now what we are learning is we are making a different type of patterns with the help of LED. So right now we made the pattern is like red and green both, red and green both. So similarly you can make some alphabet also with the help of that, with the help of this LED. So you can practice that first. Before practicing that, you need to practice this programming, that how to do the programming for 2 or 3 LEDs. So if you want to do the programming of 3 LEDs, you have to add one more pin, that is suppose 13 inbuilt I am using now. So 13. So inbuilt is actually we have the specific inbuilt, so we'll not do is 13. So we'll use that specific command inbuilt LED. So here high, in here low if you want low, then here you want again high. So let's high, then low, then here you can do the low. Okay, then simulate it again. So if you simulate this, so when you simulate this, so the inbuilt LED is also getting on off, and same way this red and green is also getting on off. So the pattern how they will get on and off, that is the important point. So first inbuilt LED in 12 will get on, then both the inbuilt LED will off, and 11 number is actually right now it is off and on off only for 1 second. So all LEDs will remain off here. Then again inbuilt LED high and 12 is low. So before that the 12 was high, so now it is low. Then inbuilt LED low and 11 is high. Then again it will rotate and both the LED. So here at this point the 11 is also high and 12 and inbuilt LED is also high. So at this point you will get all the LEDs high. So one point will be there at which you get all the LEDs high. So this type of pattern, all LED high, one off, third, second off, third off, all 3 off. Then again one on, second on, all 3 on. So this type of pattern you are making in this. So similarly you can add more and more LEDs and you can try different patterns here. So this connection circuit and this understanding of breadboard should be very clear. If you are having doubt regarding breadboard and how to do the connection in the breadboard, please note it down and we will discuss in the Skype calling session, and we will clear it out and do the connection and make the circuit of this two first practically, and then add one more LED, go for 3 LEDs also. So your homework will be you have to make a circuit with the 3 LEDs with a single resistor and the Arduino. So how this circuit is working? So this resistor is common to all both these LEDs. So it's a current is flowing like from 12, the current is flowing, and the negative from the cathode is returning, and then resistor and then ground. Same way for the green. So from 11 the power is coming, electron is flowing, and then negative is going through resistor to ground. Okay, this way these circuits are working. So this circuit, how they are working, this should be very clear. If you are not clear, please tell me so that I can more give you the example that how they are working. But if you are not clear, it will be difficult to go in the complex circuits. Okay, so please remember that this breadboard connection is very important. Okay, now we'll discuss the more complex circuit, more number of LEDs, and the different patterns of LEDs in the next session.